One of the coolest European cities we've been to is Lisbon. It's the capital and the largest city of Portugal. It's known for its stunning architecture, colorful ceramic tiles, historical sites, pleasant year-round weather, and of course, fantastic food. On this video, we will be sharing with you how we travel and explore Lisbon and to show you why the city is a fantastic place to visit. It takes about 3 hours to fly from Frankfurt, Germany to Lisbon. We arrive at Humberto Delgado Airport. The airport has a metro station with a direct line to the city center. The Aeroporto Saldanha line takes you to the city center in about 20 minutes. We paid €7.60 for a one-way ticket, and it's for 2 persons.
We're gonna get off at Alameda.
We got off at Alameda Station and changed line to Cais de Sodre and got off at Rocio Station, where our hotel is. Rocio Square is also just a walking distance from most of the tourist attractions in the downtown Lisbon. Our hotel is only 10 minutes walk from the Rocio Square. We stayed at Esqina Cosmopolitan Lodge. For €110 per night, I would say it's worth it. The room is very clean and modern. Our favorite part is the view from our window, and it is such a great location to access Alfama neighborhood, the downtown center, Rua Augusta, and many other attractions.
Gib schön einen Blick hier.
And we went to see the Praça do Comércio, the Lisbon's market square, and also one of the highlights of the city. It is surrounded on 3 sides by yellow-colored Pombaline buildings.
Hey guys, welcome to Lisbon. Our hotel is just like 5 minutes away from this busiest square. Oh, it feels so good to be back here, and the weather is so perfect. It's not so hot, it's not so cold either, just really perfect weather and blue sky. Who doesn't want that, right?
You can wear shorts.
Yeah.
Facing the Lisbon's market square is the Rua Augusta. It's the city's main pedestrian street where you can find so many restaurants, cafes, shopping stores, and souvenir shops. At the end of the Rua Augusta Street is this beautiful arch. It is also called Rua Augusta Arch. But we will check on that later on since we are already starving, and we also want to take you to the famous Time Out Market.
We came from that direction and the Time Out Market is on this way. So we're just gonna walk like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I'm so excited to go back there. They have lots of food choices there.
Nice square.
Yeah. There's a public toilet. So the market is on that building. God, there are lots of plant babies here. So guys, we're here.
There are about 36 restaurants and kiosks selling regional specialties here. It is popular among locals and tourists, so it is always packed with people.
There are a bunch of food options here. It's hard to decide which one to eat. But one thing for sure, I want to eat fish.
It's also very special to catch the sunset in Lisbon. So let's go to two beautiful sunset viewpoints in the city. Located in Alfama district is Miradouro da Gracia. And in just few meters away, there's another popular one called Miradouro da Senhora do Monte. There are also free music performances and small cocktail kiosks, so it feels more lovelier to watch the sunset while having some drinks. But keep in mind to come here earlier because it's always packed with people.
We're gonna eat again.
My story.
So we're back to the main square.
Let's do weiter dort laufen. Super love the vibe here. Yeah?
This is our dinner.
And it's our second day now. We are more than ready to start our day, but you know, first things first, coffee. So we found a cozy coffee place to have our breakfast. There are so many cool streets to explore, but please note that Lisbon is a very hilly city. It will be a real deal workout as you're gonna walk up and down a lot, so make sure to wear comfy shoes. But on the other hand, it is also very interesting because you'll find lots of nice viewpoints around the city. One of the most beautiful and famous viewpoint is Miradouro de Santa Lucia. It's a romantic-looking veranda by the Church of Santa Lucia. It's full of colorful antique tiles. You'll see a view over the Alfama, its houses and churches. It's even more lovelier when the flowers are in full bloom. No wonder it's one of the most Instagrammable corners in the city. And this, I would say, one of our most favorite miradouros in Lisbon. Just few meters away from Santa Lucia, there's another viewpoint, and it's a little bigger and a bit busier, but here you can find a lot of cafes and snack bars around. Now, there's still one more Miradouro that we really like. It's Miradouro de San Pedro de Alcantara. It's a huge garden and one of the largest viewpoints here. And here you can enjoy a lively atmosphere, a good music, and a refreshing drink at the kiosk. It is also cool and interesting to see the Elevador da Gloria, and it's just right next to the Miradouro. After a few hours of walking around, we ended up at Bairro Alto. It's an upper town neighborhood where some of Lisbon's best nightlife spots located. It's a popular go-to place among partygoers. And so we decided to take a funicular ride. It cost 3 euros and 80 cents per person, back and forth or up and down. But we highly recommend to buy a day ticket for only 6 euros and 60 cents per person. You can enjoy unlimited journeys on trams, funicular, and metro. We also went to the Carmo convent. It's a roofless ruins of a Gothic church that was devastated by an earthquake many years ago. Entrance fee is 5 euros per person, and there are actually so many things to see here. There's a museum inside where there are lots of archaeological artifacts, so many things that I've never seen before, like mummies, Gothic tomb, and a lot more. And we went to Belem to spend the rest of our afternoon there. The easiest way to get there is by taking the number 15 tram. You can take the tram from Baya station near the Time Out Market. There are also plenty of things to see here in Belem. Number 1 is the Jeronimos Monastery. Unfortunately, it's already closed when we got here, but still, we got to enjoy and appreciate the beauty of this impressive building. And then on the other side, you can find the Padrão dos Descobrimentos. I'm not really sure about the pronunciation, but it's a monument from the 1960s that was built to celebrate the country's contribution to the age of discovery. It depicts 33 historical figures. Also nearby, you can find this very iconic building that rises from the water. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site together with the Jeronimos Monastery. Still, we weren't able to take a look inside because it's already closed when we got here. But by just looking from outside, it's also really beautiful and dramatic. Many people are also coming to Belem to try the famous pastel de nata. It's Portugal's national dessert. The best place to try it is in Pastéis de Belem. It's the most famous pastry corner in Lisbon, so the queue is always very lengthy. We didn't attempt to join the queue anymore, but if it's your first time in Lisbon, it is something special you shouldn't miss. Happy hour time, Cross. And we got some cocktails and paella for dinner. It's another beautiful day in Lisbon. We're having our brunch from this cafe near our hotel, and it's so good. Today's agenda, we will go and check out the Rua Augusta Arch. Entrance fee is 3 euros per person. You have to be careful because the staircase is too narrow and spiral, and it's open for 24 hours. Up here, you'll get a closer look to this massive, beautiful sculpture There's 360 degrees panoramic view of the city that you're gonna enjoy. You'll see the whole Praça do Comércio, the Rua Augusta Street, some spots in the Alfama district, and the St. George Castle. Nearby the main pedestrian street or the Rua Augusta Street, there's another important landmark in the city. It's the most unique lift we've ever seen, the Elevador de Santa Justa, or also called Carmo lift. The structure and the design is very unique. The entrance fee is €5 and 30 cents per person, but as expected, there's always a very long queue. We recommend to go earlier. If you made it this far on this video, thank you so much guys. We truly appreciate it. We hope this video inspires you for your next Lisbon trip. Please don't forget to subscribe for more travel videos like this. Again, thank you so much and see you again soon.